got you.
Oh, you're good, you're good.
It's still running, guys.
Yeah. You're good.
It's still running.
You're good. Give her some throttle. Oh, yeah, she's good. She's good.
Yeah!
She's good.
What's up, y'all? Absolutely killer Holopaw ride here. We had a giant group together for Erica's birthday. About half through the video, we had the Pioneer 500 with 3 people on it in North Beach doing water wheelies. Just absolute stupidity. Trying to kill it. Of course we couldn't because it's Honda. We got South Beach, North Beach, mud flats. Everything's in here. A lot of good fun. Hope you guys enjoy the footage. We got an absolute quicksand situation here. It's like floating sand. Feather it. Well done! Walkers come in. So for some reason, a lot of the creek beds were softer than usual. I think there was like a weird amount of water flow versus how many people have been actually driving in these creeks lately. So it was kind of nasty and it wasn't very flat. So we were having a hard time keeping the front end kind of level doing these wheelies. We're all trying to balance it. People were falling off. It was a ton of fun. It tipped over, snorkel went under for a second. It never even stalled out. I drained the airbox. There was a few cups of water in it, but good thing I have that crankcase mod. Feel that rut?
Felt that bottle. This is nice though. We can pump that animal from animal. We can set a man and another man can't go. I got the animal. We can wait the nanny on
You feel it bottom out? Hey, hey! You stand on it! You can't back up. We'll just push you over that way. Hey, Scooter, push him over that way. So no, there's absolutely nothing wrong with Tom's majestic Bronco. We just decided to see if we could put it on the back of my little Japanese truck. And of course, with the bedsides folded down, it just barely fit up there, and it was absolutely hilarious. Good times.